everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. Couldn't love them any more. All amazing people and artists. And our very special guest this week, Simply B, Fluid Art. I just love Bernadette's work. She is just such a talent. Her work just shows so much elegance and grace. I've followed her from the beginning and just love her work, so I'm really, really honoured and super excited she's with us this week. I hope you watched what she had to offer us this week. If you didn't, the joy of YouTube. Go back and watch whenever you like. So, this week, I'm just going to wing it because I really have no idea what I'm going to do, so winging it playtime in the Venom garage. Let's just sit back, kick some tunes up and have some fun. I'll see you at the end, guys.
So nonchalant in the way that you love me, indifferent to the ways that you wound me. I know the love is real, despite what my heart can't feel. They say stand up for the things you can't stand to lose. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. A spectator watching us bleed out inside. Mindless surrender, no shame and no pride. I know the love is real, despite what my heart can't feel. They say stand up for the things you can't stand to lose. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. Shake, shake, shake me awake. Rip me from slumber and fight for me, fight for me. Ache, ache, ache for me, babe. Shout from the depths, beg me to stay. Shake, shake, shake me awake. Rip me from slumber and fight for me, fight for me. Ache, ache, ache for me, babe. Shout from the depths that you want me to stay. Fight for me, fight for me, fight. I want you to fight for me. Despite what my heart can't feel. They say stand up for the things you can't stand to lose.
There's something about this town, something just beneath the surface. Maybe it's something in the air, or something in the water. Something's in the water. ominous and haunting. It's lurking out of sight. Wouldn't know it was there unless you knew what you're looking for. Something's in the water. Secrets find you out, they always do. Your secrets find you out, they'll be the end of you. Your secrets find you out, they always do. Your secrets find you out, they'll be the end of you. Something's in the water.
Give him way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic. Don't need to waste my time trying to prove I'm enough for you. I just happen to make it a habit. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Your empty words left me distracted. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Baby I'm fine. I'll be alright, with or without you. Don't waste my time, feeding me lies I know you're about to. I don't need to wait no more, I don't even miss you. I'm already out the door, no it's not an issue. Trust me baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP, gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine, RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me.
let me out, put me out in the rain, just gas on a flame, and you can't control, but you can't control. You could try to tame the wild, you could try to blame this child, try to medicate me, call it ADHD, but you can't control, but you can't control. Ooh, don't you know that you can't tame a cageless soul? Well, you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal, and you can't tame a cageless soul. You try to keep me in on lines, I just wanna go outside, take the long way home, find it on my own, but you can't control, but you can't control. Ooh, don't you know that you can't tame a cageless soul? But you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal, and you can't tame a cageless soul. No, you can't tame a cageless soul. What you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal. Don't you know that you can't tame a cageless soul? But you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal, and you can't tame a cageless soul. Can't keep a line in the living room and act like it isn't. Oh, this kind of love. But you can't tame a cageless soul. No, you can't tame a cageless soul. Stop, try it. No, you can't tame a cageless soul.
So we'll do a close-up reel of that one. This is what bubbles cause winging it. When you walk into the garage and really have no idea what you're going to do, you start with a radial, get out your marbles and have some skewer fun. So yeah, I think she looks pretty wild and wonderful. I was gonna embellish it, but I'm just gonna stare for a while and see how she dries first, I think. So next up after me today, we have the dynamic duo of my big sister and my amazing big brother, Tony and Cat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So please come on over, join them in the chat. Amazing people, you will love what they have to offer. Always a giggle and always some cool art. So that is it for me, guys. As always, thank you for watching and joining us. We always appreciate it on the Fluid Art Express with my beautiful art family. And until next week, stay safe, take care, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy.